Hello and welcome to an AdLizard instructional video on anchoring. Anchoring is a template building technique which dictates the behavior of placed objects when a page is resized or an ad is resized. I'm logged in here as an AdLizard administrator and I have three objects on the page here. If I resize the page itself to 120 millimeters deep, I'll see that the page behaves, or the items on the page behave as you'd expect. They just sit there. We get another 20 millimeters added to the bottom of this document. However, anchoring allows the template builder to control the behavior of such elements when the page is resized like that. For example, this red footer box here can be made to travel with the document as the document grows by clicking on it, clicking the anchors button, and then looking at the small JavaScript preview of the item. In this JavaScript preview, the outer box represents the, the document itself, and the inner box represents the PO, in this case the red footer box. If I anchor this to the bottom of the page with this indicator of a steel bar and click apply, when I resize the page now, you'll see that 120, you'll see that the PO itself moves as the document resizes, and the gap between the edge of the page and the edge of the PO is maintained exactly. This will continue to happen regardless of what size I make it. So if I move it back to 100 millimeters, you'll see that the red box travels back. So in this case, a steel bar indicates a fixed distance between the edge of an object and the edge of the page. The other type of anchor that we have is a spring. So these springs, if I anchor this red box top and bottom, it'll now grow this item and the gaps between it proportionally as the item grows. So it means that if we grow the document by 20%, as we do in this case, both the item itself and the distance between the top of the page and the bottom of the page will grow by 20%. I might make this a little bit bigger, 150, and click apply so that we can see that happen. So you'll see this box grew, it got bigger, it resized, it magnified as the page itself magnified. Again, I can make this any size I want, and reverting to 100% will give us the original document specs. So these can be used in combination now. I'm going to revert this anchor to the steel bar at the bottom only, so that red box will travel as the document grows. This one here will resize as it grows. This one can resize. Apply. And I'm going to fit steel bars to the top and bottom of this box as well. Apply. Oop. Yeah, apply. Okay, let's resize the box again and we'll see what happens. So we see a combination of effects here. This one moves or grows. This one grows with a fixed top and bottom, and it actually meets up and butts with the footer bar now. This can be used. The technique that we can use here, that is used here, is suitable for perhaps classified ad or semi-display applications, and can be used in combination with such features as the auto grow component. If I turn fit content on in this text box, for example, and click apply, I can make the box grow, and resizing the document to fix the newly sized box using anchors can make sure everything fits neatly around that box as it grows. SDK users or programmers can reference the SDK documentation for the anchoring methods used when resizing items on a page. You can apply anchors using the SDK so that all of your items grow automatically when you perhaps grow a page inside the engine. Okay, that's AdLizard anchors and PO growth. Stay tuned for another admin lesson later on. See you later.